Welcome to Product Guide Hub. The best kids' kitchen utensils set reel is probably one of the most exciting ways to get your little ones involved in the kitchen. These sets are designed to spark creativity and teach valuable life skills in a fun and safe environment. Join me as we dive into the world of mini chefs and explore the best utensils to inspire your child's culinary adventures. Let's get cooking. Number 5. Melissa and Doug Stir and Serve Cooking Utensils, 7 PCS. These shiny metal and wooden utensils look just like the real thing. It's a great way for kids to engage in pretend play and feel like they're really cooking. This set is a great companion for play kitchens and other pretend food products. It allows children to fully immerse themselves in the cooking experience. The set includes a whisk, ladle, spatula, slotted spoon, spaghetti server, wooden spoon, and a holder. It provides everything needed for a complete play cooking experience. The utensils are made of sturdy stainless steel and wood. This ensures that they can withstand plenty of play and last for a long time. This makes a great gift for both girls and boys aged 3 to 6. It offers hands-on, screen-free play that encourages creativity and imagination. What we like? This set features shiny stainless steel and wooden utensils, mimicking the real thing. It's a great companion for play kitchens, sparking imaginative play. If you are looking for a set that encourages hands-on, screen-free fun, this is a perfect choice for your little ones. What people say? They look real and are super good quality for the price. I love the container they come with to keep them organized, and it adds a cute accessory to her kitchen set. Definitely recommend getting these. These utensils are not just toys. They are beautifully crafted and genuinely resemble real cooking tools. The combination of stainless steel and wood gives them a sturdy and realistic feel, making them perfect for pretend play in the kitchen. Number 4. Baketivity 31 PCS Kids Baking Set. This set includes everything your child needs to start baking. It comes with a kid-safe knife, whisk, rolling pin, and more. It makes baking easy and safe for kids. The included knife is designed to protect little hands. It cuts soft food easily and has easy-to-grip handles. This makes it a safe and fun experience for your child. All the tools in this set are non-toxic and food-grade. They are also durable and dishwasher-safe, making cleanup a breeze. This ensures the safety and convenience for both kids and parents. The set includes 12 parent-approved recipes. Each recipe has a simple ingredient list and easy-to-follow instructions. This helps your junior chef create delicious treats. This baking set is a perfect gift for kids ages 6 to 10. The brightly colored tools come in exciting packaging. It will get every little baker excited to have their own cooking tools. What we like? This set includes a kid-safe nylon knife, making it easy and safe for children to cut soft foods. All the tools are non-toxic, food-grade, and dishwasher-safe, ensuring easy cleanup. If you are looking for a set that combines safety with real cooking experiences, this is the one for you. What people say? The utensils are made of stainless steel and are very durable. The set includes a variety of utensils, such as a whisk, spatula, and measuring spoons, providing everything needed for cooking. The size of the utensils is perfect for little hands, making them easy to handle and use. Number 3. Baketivity Kids Cooking Set, Real Utensils. This comprehensive set includes everything young chefs need. It features a chef's hat, apron, and various tools. It's designed to make cooking fun and accessible for children. Whether they're just starting or already love to cook, this set is perfect. The tools make cooking easy and safe. It helps them become master chefs. These utensils are made for real food, but with kids in mind. The knives cut soft food easily and safely. The handles are easy to grip and have smooth edges. All the pieces are made from non-toxic materials. The set is durable and can withstand high heat. It's also easy to clean in the dishwasher. The set includes a guide to help kids learn. It explains how to use each tool and when to use it. It also provides fun exercises to practice different cooking skills. What we like? This set provides a complete junior cooking experience with a chef's hat, apron, and various utensils. The tools are designed for real food, but are safer for kids. If you want a set that offers a comprehensive cooking experience with an educational guide, you should consider it. What people say. The utensils are both kid-friendly and kid-safe. The kit includes real utensils sized to perfectly fit a child. She puts on the apron and hat, which she was totally delighted with, and helps chop up ingredients for actual meals. Number 2. Tovla Junior 4-Piece Kids Cooking Utensil Set. Introducing the Tovla Junior 4-Piece Kids Baking Kit. This set includes a spatula, whisk, rolling pin, and tongs. It's perfect for sparking your child's love for cooking. Made from food-grade silicone, this kit is 100% safe for little hands. You can rest assured knowing that they are using safe and non-toxic tools in the kitchen. The stylish blue color makes it ideal for both boys and girls. This adorable set is designed to make cooking fun for everyone. Cleaning up is a breeze with these silicone utensils. They are designed to save you time and effort after a fun baking session. Surprise any child with this cute cooking starter kit. It's a stunning gift for birthdays or holidays, sure to bring joy to any young chef. What we like. This 4-piece set is made from food-grade silicone, ensuring safety for little hands. The gender-neutral design and easy-to-clean features make it a practical choice. If you like a simple, easy-to-clean set, this is a great option. What people say. They are real kitchen tools, not toys. I even use them sometimes. Great for ages 3 to 5. Throw them in the dishwasher easily. And they look cute. These are perfect. I use the spatula for everything from scraping out pans and bowls to browning ground beef. I use the tongs to turn over little pieces of browning chicken, etc. The whisk is perfect for making gravies, whipping eggs, etc., and the little rolling pin is just right for a small batch of biscuits. Number 1. KEFF Kids Kitchen Set for Cooking and Baking. This all-in-one kitchen set is perfect for your little chef. It comes with a vibrant apron, chef hat, and oven mitt. It's designed to spark creativity and build essential kitchen skills. Designed with little hands in mind, this set is BPA-free and food-safe. It's non-toxic and perfectly sized for young chefs. It's durable and easy to clean, ensuring it's ready for every cooking adventure. With the included cookbook, your child can cook alongside you. It boosts self-confidence and transforms mealtime into a fun, educational adventure. It's a great way to strengthen family bonds. This set introduces kids to kitchen basics with a playful twist. The kid-friendly knives and utensils are perfect for safely slicing soft foods. It's a hands-on way to spark creativity and confidence. Make any day special with this charming kitchen set. Packed with their very own tools, it's sure to excite young chefs. The adorable packaging adds a touch of magic, making it an unforgettable gift. What we like. This set includes a vibrant apron, chef hat, and kid-friendly tools, making cooking fun and educational. The included cookbook with easy recipes helps build confidence and family bonds. If you want to boost your child's confidence and make mealtime a fun adventure, it's a must-have. What people say. The utensils are made of stainless steel and are very durable. The set includes a variety of tools, such as a whisk, spatula, and measuring spoons. The size is perfect for little hands. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.